My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on Applied Data Science with Python. This is lecture number 318. In this lecture, we will try to understand confusion matrix. It is a performance measurement for machine learning classification. The confusion matrix itself relatively simple to understand, but the related terminology can be confusing. A very interesting idea is idea of confusion matrix. Let's understand what confusion matrix is and what problems it solves that accuracy has. There are few drawbacks for accuracy which we discussed in my previous lectures. So first let's start with simple binary classification. In binary classification task, you have two class labels 0 and 1. So this is a matrix. Confusion matrix is a matrix as name suggests. Confusion matrix is basically a matrix. So we have two possibilities 0 and 1. We create a grid which is of 2 by 2. We create a grid of 2 by 2 size, a matrix of size 2 by 2 because we have two classes. Because it's a binary classification task, we have two classes. The two classes are class 0 and class 1. So I created a matrix whose order is 2 by 2. Just observe this one. Just let me say like this. These two, this one, yes, these two values are predicted values. These two values are actual values. Let's go with the data set and understand. Let's assume my test data set. Let me say, yes. Let's go with data set and understand. Let's assume my test data set is like this. Just assume this is my test data set. I have my x1, x2, so on xn. Let's assume there are n points in my test data set. For each of these points, I have actual class labels. This is y1, y2, so on yn are actual class labels. x1, x2, so on xn are data points. This is my data. This, for example, x1 is my first data point and whose corresponding label, this is x1 is data point, corresponding actual label is y1, x2 is a data point whose corresponding label is y2, xn is a data point whose label is yn. Isn't it? How many data points are there? There are n data points. This is my actual class label for each of these points. y1, y2, yn are actual class labels. Let me assume y1 cap, y2 cap, so on yn cap. These are predicted class labels. Let me say y1 cap, y2 cap, so on yn cap are predicted class labels. Again, by the way, confusion matrix does not take probability scores, or it cannot process probability scores. These y1 cap, y2 cap, yn cap are also binary, just like y1, y2, yn, because each data point can belongs to class 0 or class 1. Given this data, now I can say how many points did I have which are actually 0, also predicted 0, which means here let's assume I get a value a. Let me say this is my value a. Just see, this is my value a. What does it mean? Number of points such that actually it is 0. Actually 0, predicted as 0. That's what a indicates. Number of points says that yi is 0. Yi means, what is yi? Actual value is 0 and you predicted as 0, isn't it? That's what a indicates, isn't it? Number of points, what is a? A means number of points actually 0 and that is predicted as 0. That a indicates number of points such that yi equals 0. Yi means what? It is actual. Yi cap means what? Predicted. Isn't it? Predicted basically means yi cap. Actually basically means yi. this a value here, I basically count and say how many of these values, how many data points here have yi equal to 0, which means that actual class label is 0. Yi is actual class label, yi cap is predicted actual 0, predicted is also 0, and predicted class label is also 0. That is a. Actually it's 0, predicted is also 0. How many such points are there in my test data set? That's what it says. The second value says, let me say like this. Just see this one. Actual is yi, predicted is yi cap. This is my test data set. This data x1, x2, xn are data points. y1, y2, yn are actual labels. y1 cap, y2 cap, yn cap are predicted labels. Let me say, what is b? B basically means what? B is a number. B is a number. What it indicates? B basically is where my actual class label is 1. Actual class label is 1. Actual class label is 1. That is yi equal to 1. And what is your predicted one? Predicted means what? Predicted means yi cap. Therefore, yi cap is 0. Just say this one. Just see what is my b. Let me say like this. Number of points such that yi equal to 1. Just see, this is b. yi equal to 1 such, and yi cap is equal to 0. Actual label is 1. But it is predicted as 0. How many such points are there in my test data set? That's what B indicates. Number of points where in test data set such that yi equal to 1. Yi means what? Actual label is 1, but it is predicted as 0. How many such points are there? That's what B indicates. Isn't it? In similar manner, you can understand C. What is C indicate? Number of points. Actual label is 0, but predicted as 1. D indicate actual label is 1, but predicted as 1. This is how many possibilities? We have 4 possibilities. A, B, C, D. We have 4 possibilities. There are only 4 possibilities, isn't it? This A, B, C, D indicate 4 possibilities. In binary classification task, and this matrix is called, for this particular binary classification task, this matrix is called a confusion matrix. Very, very useful matrix. Now, if you have multi-class setting, this is binary classification setting. If you have multi-class setting instead of binary setting, if you have multi-class classification setting, you can also draw confusion matrix. In my next lecture, I will continue my discussion on confusion matrix. Just try to understand what A indicates, what B indicates, what C indicates, what D indicates, what is yi. Yi is actual labels, yi cap is predicted, and x1, x2, so on, xn are data points. y1, y2, yn are actual class labels. y1 cap, y2 cap, so on, yn cap are predicted class label. Try to get some sort of familiarity with this term, so that I will continue my discussion in my next lecture, that is in lecture number 319. Thank you very much.